How to add voice effects on Snapchat. To add voice effects on your Snapchat, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now, you simply have to be on the main camera screen. From here, you simply have to go ahead and then long press this big circular button or the shutter button on the bottom to record a video clip with the audio in it. Now, release it to access the editing panel. From here, you simply have to click on the speaker volume icon located in the bottom left corner. It should be shown over here. Now, once you tap on it, you simply have to go ahead and then select any of the distortion filters of your choice. Once you select it, go ahead and tap outside the selection panel to save your choice. Once you do this, you simply have to go ahead and then proceed to send to arrow. Tap on the yellow or the blue send to arrow to publish the clip to your story and submit it to the spotlight, or simply share it directly with your friends in chat. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.